Hi, this is RockinRobin, and today I am at Target. I'm going to show you their Halloween items. You stay with me. When I first walked in, I was excited to find that there were pumpkins and different items right in the front of the store. But I had no idea that most of the items would be in front, not in a different area. So when you first go in, take a look. Look at how cute these little pumpkins are. They're fabric and they were only $1. How good is that? I love little dollar items. And look at these nice pumpkins here. They're ceramic. They were $3. Not bad at all. I walked around, found some other things. Look at here. There are some dish towels. And look at this candle. You put a battery in and it lights up. Kind of cute. I'm not sure about if I like that. You would put a candle inside there. And some really cool glass figures that you can put, they say on them, Halloweenish things. Who knows? You might want to use them for oil and vinegar. You might want to use them for something creepy. Those hats, a lot of these needed batteries. And then I went and I found some different pumpkins. Here's some little lanterns. Over here are some more Halloweenish items. Look at the little coffins. And I'm not sure what this does. It has a little orange inside. It looks like it might be an ornament. Looked like a rubber ball at first. Here are some more Halloween items. And over here, this looks like a little lantern. And over there, here is a bucket. Supposedly, if you press the button, it will light up. Didn't work for me, but there were some below. There's a nice sock, and here is a mug. All in the Halloween style. Here's some puzzles. Cute little things for the kids. What else can I find? Now, here's some doors. I'm not sure what to do with those. In different kinds of mugs and candles. And this, look at how cute that is. I think that was a pillow because it was in the pillow section. And look at the bats. Not a bad price. They were $10 each. And this one is a cat. Then over here they had a section where it is stuff for fall. And they had a lot of pumpkins. Now I'm hoping maybe later on they'll get even more Halloween stuff. See, it says fall and market. There you go. All different sizes and shapes. And over here, I believe these are blankets. And then these, I believe, are candles. I want to show you the skull. See right there? Yeah, it's a candle. Now, over here, I found some craft items. These look like really cool. These were $10. I found some in front that were $3. But these items right here are $10. I don't know. If you're into crafts, maybe they would be fun for you to do. And if you keep looking, you can find all kinds of bags. Now, I don't know if people give Halloween gifts and tags, or if you would take these to carry your Halloween goodies in. And those are calendars. I knew they had advent calendars. Now they got Halloween calendars. The funnest thing that I found in the whole store were the cards. Halloween cards were adorable. And there's some stuffed animals, some little bats, but the cards were really great Halloween cards. And I'm going to show you a couple of them. There's Spider-Man. What a nice card. And inside it says, amazing, that's you. And there's a couple cute ones over here as well. This one says, did I butt dial you? And it says, no, I don't have a butt. And it's a skeleton. Very funny. And we're going to take a look at a couple more. Now, those are not Halloween cards. These are Halloween. Here you go. And look at, they've got little stickers in the cards. Kids love stickers. So that would be a fun one. The other one says boo. And look at that one is a vampire. Very cute. And inside, let's see what it says. Hope nothing kills your sweet Halloween vibe. I kept looking around. See what else I can find. Here's one shaped like a pumpkin. There you go. If you're looking for cards, Halloween cards, this is a great place to go. I didn't see any in packs like you would send out for Christmas. Here's a Jack Skellington. But I just found individual ones. So maybe just for your immediate family members. It looks like it's a lot of fun. And look at this one. It is enormous. It's a ghost. And that's a big card compared to the others. So then let's look at the cutouts a little bit more. That one's a Boo and this one is a Spooky Sensation. Those are kind of nice to have. And then I found Grogu and he talks. Isn't that adorable? They had some really nice books if you like to read to your kids how to catch a witch. Really nice looking book. So Halloween, I never thought about it, but it's probably a cool holiday to read to the kids. And then I found some candles, and some of these were really unusual. They're like a bourbon pumpkin. I never smelled that. So this is what I found at Target. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. Please watch all our videos. We have a lot on Halloween and we have a lot on Christmas coming.